take my breath away, 'cause I've got nothing else that I can say. It's time